Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. Today this is part 6 of our Excel formula series. In this part, we will learn more about Excel dynamic array functions, which are advanced Excel form functions used in real world reporting and analytics. What are dynamic array functions? First of all, let's understand what an array function is. Dynamic arrays are modern Excel formulas that can return multiple values automatically and spill the results into adjacent cells. Earlier, Excel formulas returned only one value per cell. Now, a single formula can return an entire list or even a table. Key advantages: no helper columns needed, no control shift enter, auto updates when data changes. What is spill in dynamic arrays? When a formula returns multiple results, Excel spills the output into empty cells automatically. If those cells are not empty, Excel shows a spill error here. So I will show you. First, I'll go with the filter function. So now let's start with the filter function. Filter is used to filter data based on conditions. I have a financial data set here. From this table, I want only selected columns, not the entire data. For example, I need only segment, country, product, discount, and unit sold. Right. I don't need the remaining columns here. So first, I use the filter function equal to filter, and I'll select the array, the range. I need only these five columns, comma. I need only the data where the discount is none, equal to none. Enter. Now see, we got all the data where the discount is none. Right. Now you can see the filter function returns the filter data only, but without headers. Filter does not return headers by default. So to include headers, we use vstack function here. Using vstack, I select the equal to vstack. I'll select the range here, comma. See, now we get segment, country, product, discount, discount band, unit sold, right? Along with the filtered data, with headers along with the filter data. Okay. Next, I'll go with unique function. So unique is used to return distinct values. For example, if I want to know about the product here, the unique product here, so I'll choose unique and then product, then enter. So it is showing all unique functions here, right? Sorry, all unique product here. Now, if I want to know how many products are available in this data set where the discount is none, so for that, what I have to do, I have to select unique with filter function, filter, comma. I need only the data where discount is equal to none. Now see, we got all the data here where we have uh, the unique where the discount band is none with all the unique ones, right? Now going to the sort function. Sort is used to dynamically sort the data in ascending order, descending order. So this data is showing in uh, this is not in ascending or not in descending order. So I'll do one thing here. I'll copy this formula and I'll use sort here. Then I have only one function, one column here, which is returning, which is product. If we have multiple columns here, we have to give the index of that particular column here. So right now the index is 1 here because we have only one column here, which is going to return here. Let's see. Now it has sorted it with the ascending order, right? Now, why dynamic arrays are powerful? Dynamic array formulas are powerful because it eliminate helper columns, reduce dependency on pivot tables, keep sheets clean, improve reporting speed, or update automatically. These skills are highly in demand for data analysts, MIS professionals, sales ops, and finance roles. Common issues to remember: hash spell. Yeah. So hash spell is basically this is the formula I've written. If I'll something write it here, so it has blocked it. It needed these much cells, and I have blocked one cell here, right? So that is why it's showing a spill here. And if I'll remove this one, see it has showing all the data here. Got it? So if we can use if error if required, and if it is not showing any result, we can say as no matching data. Uh, so final summary is dynamic arrays only excel for only allow only one excel formula to return multiple results automatically, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share.